Hello everyone, I'm very glad you can open this video and watch it. This is Lina from PLASTERBOARD, China. PLASTERBOARD is a professional manufacturer of gypsum board, PVC, gypsum ceiling tiles, and etc. We have exported to more than 92 countries and regions. Today I want to introduce gypsum board to you. With white paper-based and high-weight gypsum board, our gypsum board can be widely used in hospital, school, and etc. We also have vapor-proof gypsum board and waterproof gypsum board. If you are interested in it, we can send free samples to you. If you have any questions and needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.